I'll begin with you, Mr. Trivedi, and the fact is, it was the 8th round of talks. It's day 40 today. The farm unions which came out of this talk said that the most important issue, which is to them, the MSP being hardwired into the law, wasn't even discussed.
Everybody should try to understand, this is the issue related to law. In law, there should be a clear analytical discussion on line by line and word by word. In law, there cannot be anything clear-cut black and white. If this would have been a situation, there was no need of courts, there was no need of lawyers, because every law states this, but there is a various interpretation in the various situations. So this is not an emotive issue also, like the Angrezo Bharat Chodo or Mandir Wahi Banayenge. Since this is an issue of law, so we are having an open-ended, we are having an open heart with full sensitivity, come and discuss point by point, clause by clause. We are ready to amend whatever is required. 10 amendments, we are ready for that. And those who are getting this type of logic, that if the 10 amendments are there, it means the law is redundant. By this logic, more than 100 constitutional amendment has been done in the constitution. It doesn't mean the constitution has become redundant. So as far as we are concerned, we are taking care of everybody all over the country. Because I just asked one question. You know which area of the country is having the biggest farmer society? Number one is Vidarbha, Maharashtra, followed by Telangana, followed by Andhra, followed by Karnataka, then Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And there is no movement, and the farmers are feeling some benefits because it is the 7th month of this. So we have to take care of every farmer, whether it is a farmer which is of Punjab, whether it is that farmer, which farmer, for which the Congress said 2/3 people of the country doesn't have 2 square meals. By God's grace, if these farmers are having enough capacity to have 6 months meal, so also consider about those farmers who are not having 2 square meals in a day. So we have to consider everybody as a government. So that's why I will appeal to these farmers also कि अगर भगवान ने आपको संपन्न बनाया है, तो विपन्न किसान की भी सोचिए. If God has given you grace of a prosperous farmer, also think of that farmer. Out of the last 30 years, 3 lakh farmers have committed suicide. So please consider those who have been suffering at a very tough situation and who are getting some light out of this amendment.
Dr. Trivedi, you talk about how, it's a law and law is extremely important, and, the importance of how these laws were formulated for the good of the farmers. But, sir, the point of the farmers is there are 500 farm unions in this country. Not one was taken on board as representation. Yes, the government in fact did speak to a lot of experts. Experts are not farmers. Out of 500, not one farm union sat down on the table to discuss these laws. Why did you make these laws during a pandemic? These are the questions that are being asked.
Yes, you have asked a very appropriate question. When we include anything in our manifesto, it is done by an extensive feedback from the public. And we use the word crowdsourcing. If you remember our then party president Amit Shah ji, when he has inaugurated this campaign for our manifesto. So we have got 92 lakh feedbacks, even indirectly 3 crore feedbacks on every aspect. But with due humility, I would like to ask, those who have put there in their manifesto, whether it's the Congress or Aam Aadmi Party, have they got with the feedback, or there's some intuition from the sky? And now suddenly they have changed. So we are very clear, and those who are putting an allegation that suddenly it has come out at the time of the pandemic on one hand, and the other hand they are saying it is a 2003 model code of model act from Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government and the subsequent UPA 1 and UPA 2.
Dr. Trivedi, the farmers are saying none of us were taken on board. That you should have taken at least one of the 500 farm unions in this country on board.
If they are saying there are certain farm unions who have met the agriculture ministers and even expressed support in favor of it.
Sir, that is after the bill.
The fundamental problem. Yes,
that is after the bill has, through ordinance, become law.
We have said very categorically that we have taken the feedback. As far as the farmers union are concerned, you have raised a very appropriate point. There are n number of farmer unions who have expressed support for this. N number of farmers union who are neutral for it. In entire country, there is a problem agitation in just 2 states. So this is the problem. There is no specific leader of this movement. There was a time when Chaudhry Mahendra Singh Tikait was leading the farmers movement. At one point of time, Chaudhry Charan Singh. At one point of time, Sardar Prakash Singh Badal. Even at one point of time, Shetkari Kisan Sangatana Sharad Joshi ji. Even during the pre-independence era, Sir Chotu Ram or Sardar of Bandoli, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. But
Right.
today, can you quote a single farmer union out of 500?
But
which is
sir,
not having
doesn't
a
it cut both
president?
ways? I'll bring in, I'll
No,
bring
no,
in
no,
a
मेरी
farm
बात
union
सुनिए,
leader.
मेरी बात सुनिए,
जी,
मेरी बात सुनिए, 500 में एक 5 फार्मर यूनियन बताएं जिसमें कोई प्रेसिडेंट ना हो, जो कहते हो all the 20,000 members or 10,000 members will talk. So how is it possible that you are having your chief, but out of you should not have a one person? So this creates an impression that if the allegation is that the mistrust on the part of the government, the fundamental is mistrust within themselves.